Yeah, this is my 2015 Nissan Altima. I'll try and do the WD-40 headlight restorations. This is how it look like right now. I'm gonna apply clean it first. I'm gonna use the Clorox wipes and then to see how it go. Okay, I'm gonna apply it now. Wow, I see a little different in there. It's a little more shiny now. Look, I got a scratch here. Guess it got a lot of dirt in it. It's really dirty. So this is after I clean both of them with the Clorox wipes. So I'm gonna spray it now. Man, it started raining. I don't know why. I'm gonna spray now with the WD-40, though it's raining, to see how it goes. Wow, it does getting clear now. I'm gonna wipe it quick. I know the rain is coming. I'm gonna wipe it now. So it does make a difference. Wow. See, that's why after WD-40, that's before it. See? This is the other side. Look better now. Wiping it off now. Alright guys, voila. That's how they look now. Now you can see the difference for yourself and see how you can do the same for you.